welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am Miltania. If you're new here, I make videos documenting my life in New York City. I also make videos like this going through the various journeys that I'm going on in life. I keep them all here. So if you're interested, subscribe and let's get into it. Today I am going to do the spring twist on my hair. Now I'll be honest, real quick, I don't really do my hair. I'll wash my hair, I'll do like a twist out, a regular twist out. I've actually been wearing mini twists in my hair for about maybe since like 2018 or so. So a good chunk of time now I've been putting my hair in that to keep my hair kind of out of my face, out of my way, and to also keep it protected. But I've never really done my hair with additional hair or anything like that. Like I've never really styled my hair. Honestly, when I was growing up, it was either, if I was getting my hair done, it was either by my aunt, my grandma, or they were taking us to go get our hair done at a salon or by a hairstylist or something like that. So my skill set, I will say, when it comes to doing my hair and like throwing something in there, very small. So the first thing I'm gonna do is just kind of rapid fire through the products that I use to wash my hair, to detangle my hair before I shampooed. Actually, I use this as my pre-poo, and then I use this as the detangling conditioner. I use this along the unbrush, which new to me. I have seen so many things, heard so many things about the unbrush, absolutely thought it was crazy. It is not crazy. Great product. This actually is the reason why my wash day was so easy this time around, along with having a good pre-poo. And honestly, this is super affordable. I got this at Target. This is where I usually get it. Pretty good. I've been using it for a very long time. I think this is probably my longest standing product. This is the Malibu Undergoo Clarifying Shampoo. It's so awesome. Personally, I like when my hair feels super stripped and clean when I use a clarifying shampoo, because that's the point, is to clean my hair so I can be the one to start reintroducing moisturizers and hydrating products back into my hair. After that, I went in with the Bond Repair shampoo from Amika. The masks that I used after conditioning. So I bought a small sample of the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair. Then this is a very new product to me. This is the head and hair mask. It is from Maria Nila, and I haven't used this before. They both kind of gave me similar results. Long story short, I think these are both pretty good hair deep masks and conditioners, so I can't really decide between the two yet. I'll have to keep using them. Post wash, in the shower, I applied this meal to my hair, and then I applied the leave-in conditioner by Pattern. This is almost done. I really love this. Okay, so the most important question: what kind of hair are you using? Here it is. This makes butterfly locks and distress locks. It's the Twisted Up, the Spring Afro Twist 24-inch. I thought I bought 18-inch, but they gave me 24. Life's not so bad. And the color is 1B. This is very brand new, as you guys can see. I gotta rip it out of plastic. To help with the whole twisting process, I am going to use one to help me style and part my hair so that I can get somewhat of a neat-ish part. I'm not going for like super duper perfect. I mean, that'd be great, but as a first timer, we're gonna just do the best we can. So I'm gonna use some of the Edge Booster to kind of at least help me part my hair. I actually wanted to get jam, and I didn't think about it until like right before I was about to start my hair. I was like, I should have gotten some jam. This is gonna be the main kind of thing, I suppose, that's gonna help me with this hair. This is gonna be what I'm twisting my hair down with, just to give it a little bit extra bounce, a little bit of extra moisture. This is the Inner Sense I Create Hold. It's a styling gel for hold and shine. I also have a spray bottle with just warm water to re-wet my hair as I'm going through and styling. Also a new product to me. I've seen it used a billion times, but I have never myself used it. So I'm gonna use the mousse stuff to set it down and kind of blow dry when we're finished. So I went ahead and I parted my hair into some sections, basically like the bottom part, middle, and then all the way up to my middle part, where I also parted, but I kind of gelled it down a little bit just so it's separated, but I have it up together. So basically this is what it looks like in the back now. I just have one section, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I have them in these little ponytails that I'm going to basically just use those sections to do my hair.
Okay, so I've started off by doing a tester at first because I wanted to get some sort of like bearing on what I was doing. I sprayed it down, and then I took a little bit of edge booster just to slick that section down. And then basically I started with 3 to 4 plaits just to secure my roots, because when I twisted it the first time, which I didn't do on camera, it was just a little too loose, and I wanted it to be secure at the root and not frizz up so quickly. And then after that, I got the hair and I put it at the back of the plait, and I started basically wrapping it around the 2 outermost ends of each plait. This was very difficult to do at first. Like, my hand was just not meant to do any of this. And then I twisted it all the way down. I'll be honest, this first one was a little bit janky.
Now this one I can see it has a little bit of weirdness at the top, so I'll adjust as I'm going, but we might be onto something, sisters.
So I basically just used the back as my tester and did a couple of other twists as I went. Honestly, the hair is very forgiving and really easy to work with. I ended up using some of the gel just to kind of smooth it down as I was going. And I had the back pieces, I split one hair in half, and then I cut that piece in half. And then as I worked my way up my hair, I basically just left the pieces a little bit longer so that they could accommodate basically going down to the length that I wanted.
As I'm working like in the sections that still have my natural hair, I'm trying to smooth those out as much as possible because I didn't blow dry my hair before I started, so I'm trying to like blend it into the hair as best as I can. I'm gonna do a little bit of back twisting to see if that helps this section. I'm trying a lot of techniques, but I'm doing like a little bit of roping it around my finger to see if that helps to wrap my natural hair in a little bit more. So what I do is I plait my hair down a little bit, and then I put the hair to the rear of my hair. So if this is your hair, 3 places, you plait it down, the top is plaited, and then the hair is gonna go, this is the front of your hair, the hair is gonna go to the back right here in the center piece, and you're going to attach the 2 pieces of hair to these outermost pieces, and then you're going to cross them over each other. So you're going to cross the right over the left, and then you're going to kind of create a little rhythm crossing that piece that has no additional hair over as well. So you're treating it like it's a part of the extension, but it's not. Then when you get a little ways down, give yourself like another like ½ inch down, then you feed that additional hair into either the left or right piece, and then you continue that motion. The only thing I'm adding to this is that because my natural hair is a little bit frizzy, I'm roping the hair around and going a little bit backwards, bringing the piece forward, and then doing that roping method again. And I do that when I'm doing my regular twists too at my root, is because it tightens the root. It kind of coils it a little bit and creates kind of like a corkscrew. But that's basically what I do, and then now I'm just gonna go down and finish out the twist. So this is what the back is looking like. Those 3 sections, and I feel like we're getting somewhere. It's my first time. Go easy on me. I think at this point I feel like I have somewhat of an understanding of how to do this and also what I'm looking for. So we are just gonna vibe out and get this hair thing done.
At this point, I knew that it was going to take a really long time to get through this. It took me a total of 13 hours, so I basically watched every single episode of Super Scent, and I finished Your Honor. It was a long stint, but I really wanted to finish it in one go, so I just kept going.
So we are almost done. I just have this little section and this little section left, and then I feel like it's still gonna take me like an hour to do this. I'll be in bed by like 5:30.
Yeah, no, he's fine. He's on his way.
That's you, Michael. You are the problem. Pops is asking.
I feel like it's a little bit more even. I don't want to like work up and then have like 2 random uneven pieces. So I'm going to twist these out of the way. I'm on my last 2. Honestly, you really just gotta believe in yourself, because I literally never thought I could do this. I know this is so dramatic, but like I don't know, the black girl experience with your hair especially is a very particular, specific niche. Getting a new skill and like getting a new like hair style under my belt that I can feel confident doing for myself is actually very exciting. Oh my gosh. I literally can't twist this fast enough. Get me up out of here. Oh my god. Oh, my butt hurts, my body hurts, I am tired. I am so actually very proud of myself. Like, hello. Honestly, it's exactly what I wanted mostly. The added density just, I feel makes my hair look a little bit better. So super excited. This is what the back is looking like. Honestly, if the back is like uneven, not my problem. I'm never gonna hold y'all. Like, this is exactly what I was going for. Just let me bask, okay? Let me bask in it for a second because it took so damn long. Thank you so much for watching this video and for sitting through this with me as I style and do my hair like this for the first time. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm not gonna stop touching my hair. I do not care because I'm very excited and y'all know how I get happy about my hair. If you guys have any comments, questions about the products that I used, or any recommendations on how like improve this, I think it looks pretty good, but there's, you know, maybe there's some room for improvement. I don't know, the hair veterans might have a thing or two to tell me. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Leave a like, comment, subscribe if you guys want to see more videos from me in general, or if you enjoyed this one. I'm very tired, so good night. Bye.